Welcome to part 2, getting started with Python Anywhere. So Python Anywhere is a great choice for those that want to launch a web application with no prior experience. It is simple and it is free. Now, one of the main reasons that it's simple is because the server configuration has been completed for us. And this server configuration can be quite a pain if you've never done it before. And so with Python Anywhere, you essentially just have to upload your files, your Python files, and your application will run. So here are the steps that we're going to do, not in this particular video, but overall to get our application up and running on Python Anywhere. We're going to create an account. We're going to then create a new web app. We're then going to select Flask as the application using Python 3.8. We're going to add all of our files, just upload all the files. There's one modification that we have to make because we're running a Dash application and not a Flask application. If we were running Flask directly, then we would essentially be done. We do have to install some libraries like Dash. It doesn't come loaded with Python in the Python Anywhere environment. We're going to run update.py to update the current data and to make sure that this runs on Python Anywhere. We're going to verify the dashboard is up and running. And then we're going to create a daily task to run update.py every day. Okay, so once we've done this, we'll have completed our launch on Python Anywhere. So what I want everybody to do now is to navigate to Python Anywhere and create a free tier account. So this is over here. You'll go over here, you go to, so here's pythonanywhere.com, and then you go to pricing and sign up, and then you can create this beginner account, and this is one that will be free. It is fairly limited, so yeah, it says low CPU bandwidth, but it's actually more than enough for our application. You will be sharing resources, that means with others, so the server will have other accounts on there. Obviously, you only have access to yours. You only get 512 megabytes of disk space. So if you add a lot of Python libraries, it actually can take up all of the disk space. And then you're limited to just 100 seconds of CPU time per day. Okay, so yeah, that's what I want you to do now, and then we'll move on to the next section after you've created your account.